Hey everyone, so I did a Black Friday BirchBox sale and I got one container that didn't have anything on it but BirchBox as a logo. So let's find out what's in it. Okay, so this is my mystery box, or as I call it, my fancy hat box, because that's what it looks like. It's a fancy hat box. Alright. See, and all it had on there was just BirchBox. Nothing to say what it was. Okay, so there's that. So let's see. It says the limited edition Hygiene and Happy. Nothing says you time more than the Danish collection of Hygge. Pronounced, or Hygge, sorry. It's all about embracing that feeling of cozy comfort and well-being. Okay. So this looks like it's going to be a kind of spa day kit. So let's see. The Daily Concepts. Oh, it's cool. It's a little headband. So you get this fuzzy little terry cloth headband to protect your hair while washing your makeup or doing spa treatments. And it's this kind of cool little mint green color. Let's see, Glow Recipe, Watermelon Glow Sleep Mask. Oh, that's interesting. Let's see, what does this do? Stay with me. Okay, there it is. Alright, this silky soft overnight mask moisturizes the skin as it smooths out fine lines. Well, that's cool, and you can kind of see it in there a little bit. It's like clear and liquidy. And something in here smells really nice, kind of like a mentholy tea tree smell. Okay. We can all use a little extra juju in our lives. Let's see. What is in the box? Alright. We are the Fourth Ray Beauty. We formulate effective skincare that delivers brag-worthy, tell all your friends its life-changing results are made. Simply 100% cruelty-free vegan ingredients. And that's kind of cool. No secrets, no surprises, no BS. You can trust us. Objects in box is more refreshing than it appears. Okay. So this is a lightweight hydration. Let's see. Fourth Ray Beauty's lightweight hydrator. This super light formula improves the moisture and elasticity of your skin. Okay, cool. So that was kind of a cute little package it came in. It's like a little book almost. You just fold it up. There's that one. Let's see. We got another of the Christopher Robin Sea Salt Scrubs. Let's see, is this one different from the last? No, it's a cleansing, purifying sea salt scrub. It rebalances your scalp. So no, this one we already had from a different kit. Just another one. So that one would be considered a repeat in the box, although it's not a collection of that. Let's see, this one is the Spiced Rose hand-poured scented candle. Maybe that's what I keep smelling. So there's the little box it came in. Let's see if I can get it open. I'm gonna rip the box. Hold on, having difficulties. Stay with me. There we go, got stuck. It smells pretty. Well, that's cool. It's called You Time. See? Little candle. It definitely smells like roses. But I don't think that's what I keep smelling though. Okay, this big one is Perfect Repair Treatment Mask. Color protectant, paraben free. Let's see. Natural Labs, where'd you go? Wait, no. Yes. Natural Lab Tokyo, the Perfect Repair Treatment Mask. This conditioning mask repairs damaged hair by rebuilding its strength. So this is a hair mask. Bamboo stem cell technology. That's cool. What are these? Helps promote a restful beauty sleep. Melatonin and vitamin B. Let's see. Okay. Nutrition. This natural melatonin supplement promotes restful sleep. Okay, so it's basically a melatonin capsule. So if you have a hard time sleeping, you can use melatonin to help you sleep. I shall try that one day. All right. Ceramic slip cleanser. Let's see. From Sunny Day Riley. Really. I think it's Riley, but I'm probably mispronouncing it either way. Let's see, where is it done here? Okay. Ceramic Slip Clay Cleanser. This extremely gentle formula cleanser contains a blend of 4 plant-based soaps. It's a nice little gentle soap for your face. Let's see. Alright. Looks like Dharmi. The Aranica Warming Sore Muscle Rub. Let's see, it's supposed to be hemp seed and peppermint oil. Maybe that's it. Yep, that's gotta be it. Let's see, that one is, where is it on here? I'm trying to find it. Oh, here it is. This one is a peppermint and arcania cream that smooths and conditions achy muscles. So I'm assuming it is kind of like a nice smelling icy hot. Let's see. This is Candlenut Hydrating Shower Gel. Now I've had their lotion or body butter. That's what it was. It was body butter. And it smells kind of interesting, but it was really nice. Let's see. This hydrating body cleanser nourishes your skin with candlenut oil. So, it's supposed to be something you could use in the shower. Let's see, what other little goodies are hiding underneath these little things? Okay. And then this comes with the little paper stuff. Alright, so I've got 2 of these. Looks like they're the same. From Clornay. Let's see, where is that on here? Okay. Smoothing and relaxing patches with soothing corn flour. These under eye patches have fast acting botanicals that fade lines and circles. Okay, so they're the under eye little patches you would see. They're usually made out of a gel that you can put on before you like do your makeup or just your daily routine in general. What else is in here? Okay, that's the last thing? Yep. Okay, so the last thing is going to be the Star Skin 3-Step Advanced Pore Cleansing Experiment System. That one says it cleans out the pores. These mistletoe, charcoal, and eucalyptus. Oh, this is what I keep smelling. Eucalyptus strip masks. Okay, so that mentholy smell was actually this. Probably a mixture of this and the candle at the same time. It smells nice though. So these are going to be kind of like a Bore strip for all those who have used it. You can see that, well, I don't know if you can see it, but I can see it. Right here at her eyebrows and at her lip are little dot dash lines for where you can like fold the package and tear off individual strips. So that's kind of cool. Let's see. And then the Birch Box, this is a Birch Box brand item. candle is, and then it is spiced rose fragrance, is reminiscent of outdoor celebrations, candle melts, and crisp fall air. And candlelit meals and crisp fall air. So that was really cool. So I'm gonna move this box just so we can get a better look at everything. Well, as best as we can anyways. Okay, so those are all the things that came in my mystery box. We're going to call it that since it didn't have really a label. I think that's really cool though, because those are all really nice things. And this one especially being a super big item along with this one as well. So that's really nice. You don't always get full-size items with things all the time. Okay. Oops. Well, that's it for that. Thanks guys for watching. If you could like, comment, and subscribe, I'll see you guys in the next video.